Welcome to AR Retails. Today we are going to see how to assemble Maxcity Munich bicycle. Use a knife or scissor to untag one by one carefully, so that parts are not getting damaged. First, we will place the stand. For that, loosen the bolts on the stand. Place it on the frame, as shown. Now place the washer and then nut. Make sure you tight the bolts firmly, for that you can use two 10 mm spanners. Now, we will see how to place the handlebar. For that, first we need to remove the 4 bolts on the stem. Place the handlebar as shown. Place this piece and try to tighten the bolts. You can tighten them diagonally, which help for better positioning. Also make sure handlebar is in center and well placed. Use 4 mm Allen key to tighten the bolts. Now, we will see how to assemble the front wheel set. Pull the lever to the open position, and loosen the nut on the other side. Line up your hub with the holes at the bottom of your fork. Holding the lever in place, tighten the nut on the opposite side. It should feel tight, but it should not be too difficult to close the lever. Once tight, push the lever into the closed position. To make sure your brake cable is reconnected or tightened properly by spinning your wheel. Now, we will see how to assemble the pedals. It is important to remember that pedal threads are different from left side and right side. The right side pedal has a right hand thread, removes counterclockwise, and stalls clockwise. The left side pedal has a left hand thread, removes clockwise, and stalls counterclockwise. As we did for front wheel, we need to loosen the nut and place the seat according to need. Once tight, push the lever into the closed position. Thanks for watching. Also, watch other videos on our channel. Don't forget to give thumbs up, comment, share to your friends and subscribe.